I'll let him see me lightly.
So, as hard and as fast as you can, but don't hurt yourself.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And I'll be able to tell you if I'm getting readings off of this ground down here.
What's it called? A seismic test?
Seismic test.
I want to go around that circle.
The McClymont Powerhouse.
Yeah. Just start there, work your way around, and hopefully each hit I should get, give or take, about the same amount of vibration in the ground. And back and forth, right?
Get the voltmeter on her.
0 volts.
Okay. Let me know when you're ready. You ready?
No. Here you go ahead, Mugs. Yeah.
You getting a reading?
A little bit. Go a little harder if you can. Yeah, I'm getting a little bit there. Can you go faster?
Should we go around one more time?
Keep going, yeah. Get like 3 volts, 2 volts. A little faster.
You gotta go faster, Mugs.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, we can't stop. We're gonna have to start again. Need a break?
Yeah, just a sec. Holy.
Now it's tiring, dude.
Okay, you ready?
Take a breather, just 1 sec. We'll go down one more time around, Mugs. We should be good.
Okay.
Okay, ready? When you are, buddy.
Okay,
Hard
go.
and fast. One more time. 3, 2. That's probably good. Probably pretty good, eh, Jamie?